going to show you an app that pay you to take a picture like banana or crepes or storefront. So you complete the task and you get paid up to $10 per task. This is a mobile app and work worldwide. The app is Before we get to the video, guys, if you are new to my channel, subscribe, like and press the bell icon. I will try to make one video per day from Monday to Friday. It's about money making tutorials. Every video surrounding money making online. So if you are new to my channel, subscribe, like, press the bell icon. Also don't forget to like my video when you watch fully. So this app is available on Apple Store with a 4.3 out of 5 star and Android 4.1 out of 5 star, which is good. And they have over 1 million download, 500,000 in each. They have a work worldwide. So basically this app allows you to do three things. Take a picture of product. That could be anything, right? Banana, crepes or storefront, whatever. The second is opinion. They ask you to visit certain site that you need to go there and review your honest opinion. And the final one is survey. So you ask a bunch of questions and from home you get paid for that. In order to work, you need to enable GPS location. So when you enable that, they can find where you are and then any near task available. So they ask you to visit there to do these things like taking picture of a product or giving an honest opinion about their storefront or service, whatever. And the survey you can do it from home. This app is 100% legit and number one in doing tasks online, and they pay up to $10 per task, sometime 51 pence, 60 pence per task. Also like surveys and opinions you can gather up and withdraw using paper. Okay, so how this work is this: book a task, use our listing or map to find a task available around you. You can book task for 2 hours. So larger the task, you get paid more. And answer the survey, answer the questions, collect the information and take the request picture. A brief description, define the requirement each task. And remember that each task is required one picture. Do whatever they ask to do. So if they ask you to take a picture of banana in the specific store, so you need to visit the store and take a picture, GPS location, monitor you visiting the site. Otherwise you can't take a picture from your home and send it there. No, that's never going to work. Then they ask the store how they manage, how the hygiene, or so certain questions like that. I've never done the task on taking picture because of this pandemic, but other tasks are available like surveys and other tasks, and you get paid for that. Our team check the validate and task, then your account is credited and you can request your money via PayPal. So this is how you're gonna make. You book a task and do the task and you get paid in PayPal. This app is called MobiEye. MobiEye.app. You can download that app on Apple Store and Google Store. It works worldwide, not in a specific country, but some part of the countries have a limited task. If you're living in Europe or USA, you have a more task available than any other country, but it still work worldwide. And they have over 8 different language. You can translate that contents. You can see it from that. So guys, this is how you can make money online in 2021 of the way doing task online. So complete the task, you get paid from that. There's nothing more to explain about that. I will make a video about the 10 app that do similar to the MobiEye to do the task online and get paid online. And thanks guys for watching video, and subscribe, like and share and press the bell icon.